Welcome to the Review Network. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at UniWriter.ai, the AI writing tool designed to help students save time, plan essays, and improve academic results. Unlike generic chatbots, UniWriter.ai is built on real academic research and developed with input from UK academics. Across the next few minutes, we'll explore its features, examine how it maintains academic quality, and share a genuine user's first-hand experience. If you've been searching for a reliable AI essay writer, this is for you. UniWriter.ai is a next-generation AI writing platform designed specifically for students who want reliable, structured, and academically grounded support with their essays and assignments. Unlike generic chatbots, UniWriter.ai has been trained on billions of real academic texts, including essays, journals, and textbooks. This foundation allows it to produce output that is not only grammatically correct, but also structured in a way that reflects the conventions of academic writing. At its core, the platform offers a free essay writer tool that allows users to generate up to 1,000 words at a 2.2 undergraduate standard. This makes it perfect for brainstorming, creating draft outlines, or overcoming writer's block when getting started on a project. For users who need more advanced support, UniWriter.ai provides paid tiers that unlock enhanced features. With the premium option, students can generate essays of up to 3,000 words at 2.1 or even first-class quality, with a grade guarantee available. The platform also integrates seamlessly with tools like an AI paraphraser and an essay planner, helping students refine, restructure, and expand their drafts in line with academic expectations. Another standout feature is the wallet-based account system, which offers secure payments and transparency in how credits are used. The interface is intuitive and minimal, meaning students can focus on their work without distractions. Combined with expert oversight from UK academics during development, UniWriter.ai delivers essays that follow genuine academic standards. Whether you are drafting a quick essay, planning a dissertation, or simply refining arguments, UniWriter.ai serves as a reliable companion that blends cutting-edge AI technology with true academic expertise. Research and AMP, quality guarantees. While many AI tools promise speed, UniWriter.ai distinguishes itself by combining efficiency with genuine academic quality. One of the most important aspects of the platform is its focus on structured, verifiable content that aligns with the expectations of universities. This is not about generating vague or generic paragraphs. It is about producing clear, referenced, and well-argued essays. Students can choose from different service tiers, with the advanced and premium packages offering longer word counts, stronger essay structures, and optional grade guarantees. This flexibility ensures that users can pick the level of support that matches their academic needs. Another unique strength of UniWriter.ai is the inclusion of supportive tools beyond essay writing. The paraphraser helps refine sentences while avoiding plagiarism, and the essay planner breaks down large assignments into manageable steps. Together, these features ensure that students not only get a finished draft, but also a framework for improving their own writing skills. By combining research-backed training data, human academic oversight, and innovative features, UniWriter.ai offers a solution that is fast, reliable, and academically rigorous. The quality assurance behind UniWriter.ai is reinforced by the experience of its founder, Barclay Littlewood, who also founded ukesses.com. With decades of industry knowledge, the team has built a platform that avoids the pitfalls of many AI tools: lack of referencing, incoherence, and poor structure. Instead, UniWriter.ai produces academically credible outputs, making it especially valuable for students who want confidence that their drafts can stand up to scrutiny. The system is backed by UK-based support and a secure wallet payment model, giving users peace of mind that their work and transactions are safe.
As a full-time student balancing part-time work and coursework, I often struggled with the time needed to plan and write long assignments. Discovering UniWriter.ai completely changed my study routine. The free version gave me a taste of how effective the platform could be, producing structured 1,000-word drafts that helped me get past writer's block. When I upgraded to the premium option, I was able to generate a 3,000-word essay written to first-class standards, complete with clear structure, relevant headings, and a logical flow of arguments. The grade guarantee gave me additional peace of mind, something I never expected from an AI writing tool. What impressed me most was the attention to detail. The outputs weren't just filler, they were aligned with actual academic expectations. Referencing was consistent. Arguments were coherent, and the essay planner tool helped me break large projects into smaller steps. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, I found myself in control of my workload. The built-in paraphraser was also useful for refining my own writing and making sure my work was unique and polished. The overall experience has been seamless. The platform is intuitive, the wallet system is simple to use, and customer support was quick to answer my questions. UniWriter.ai has saved me countless hours of stress and has become a genuine companion in my academic journey. I can now spend more time deepening my knowledge and less time worrying about formatting, structure, or getting started. For students who want academic-level assistance combined with reliability, UniWriter.ai is a tool I would recommend without hesitation.
That wraps up our review of UniWriter.ai. We've looked at the platform's features, its academic standards, and real user feedback. UniWriter.ai proves that AI writing tools can go beyond generic text and provide structured, research-backed support that students can trust. If you'd like to try it for yourself, head over to UniWriter.ai and explore what it has to offer. For more detailed reviews and insights, don't forget to subscribe to the Review Network and stay tuned for future updates.